My dear students, GATE 2021 Instrumentation Engineering General Aptitude or Numerical Ability, your wish. Solutions of the APTI. Okay. So, see the first problem. Spatial aptitude or plane geometry, okay, and data interpretation, reasoning and simplifications. This is the syllabus according to the latest. This problem, observe the diagram. 5 line segments of equal lengths PR, PS, QT and RT are used to form a star as shown in the figure above. Okay, now the value of the theta in a degrees is theta. What is the value? This is the question. Okay, from the childhood for this problem we have number of methods. Minimum 4 methods we have. Okay, out of the 4 methods, easy method I taken. Okay, observe. This is a regular pentagon. Regular pentagon exactly inscribed in a circle. Regular pentagon means, okay, observe. By symmetric, a regular pentagon can be inscribed in a circle. Okay, look at, this is the answer. Next, based on the rules, this inscribed angle, this angle is equal to the half of the angle of the arc. Half of the angle of the arc. This is the arc. Okay, half of the angle of the arc. Observe diagram. So here what is the angle? 2 theta. This is rule. Observe. In a circle, an inscribed angle is equal to the half of the angle of the arc. Okay. So here what is the angle? 2 theta. In the same way, here also 2 theta. Here also 2 theta. Here also 2 theta. Here also 2 theta. Total how many thetas? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 thetas. Okay. Circle, one circle angle. Okay. Total 10 theta. How many degrees circle? 360 degrees. So theta is equal to 36 degrees. This is the answer. Okay, students, second one. This problem belongs to the permutation and combination probability arrangement concept. Okay, almost 4 papers given. Same concept, 4 papers. Observe. 4 persons P, Q, R and S are to be seated in a row. Okay, now all facing the same direction but not necessarily in the same order. Okay. Next, P and R cannot sit adjacent to each other. P and R cannot sit adjacent to each other. So P and R not sitting side by side. Okay. Observe. So P and R not sitting side by side. Second point. S should be seated to the right of Q. Right of Q. मतलब Q का right side S. Okay. Q का right side. So Q's right side is S. These 2 points are given. Okay. Now go to the question. The number of distinct seating arrangements, total how many chances? Okay, now total 4 members, right? 4, these 4. Okay, so P and R sitting side by side, wrong. That's why first of all I taken P here, R here. Otherwise R here or P there, your wish. Okay, now so first P and R. So Q and S. So Q's right side is S. So if P and R interchanged, Q and S fix. Okay, na? So total how many chances? We are getting 2 chances. Question is very easy. That's why I write complete options, complete chances. So 2 chances. Next, 4 members, P and R. So first I read P here, R here. Okay, Q and S. If P and R interchanged, so again we are getting 2 chances. Next, P and R. P and R. Okay, again P and R interchange. So again we are getting 2 chances. Okay, so total how many chances we are getting? 6. Question very easy, that's why write completely. Okay. Otherwise, so Q and S fix. Okay, Q and X fix. P and R, two variables, two places, 2 factorial. So again 2 factorial, again 2 factorial. Total 6 chances. That is one method. But question is easy, that's why write complete chances. So total how many chances we are getting? 6. Okay, na? Next one. This problem, look at x-axis, y-axis, triangle name. The mirror image of the above text about the x-axis. About the x-axis means with respect x-axis. Okay, na? Mirror image concept, but the mirror is, okay, but the mirror is bottom, say x and y. Okay, it is worked as a water image. Water means it is land, on land. Mirror, any object. Suppose if we take the mirror, left become a right, right become left. Suppose here top become bottom, bottom become top. Got it all of you? Observe. Here nib is top, water or mirror, what it may be. Okay, then image. So that nib is bottom. Okay. So mirror image or with respect x-axis means top become a bottom, bottom become a top. That is the logic. Got it? Observe. So E, same, there is no change, E. But here E reverse, so wrong. Okay, next. So T, but here T original given, so wrong. Okay, next we have two chances. T are this, observe the letters, same, 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 same. Here G different, same, same. So you can check G only. Okay, G. You can check the G only. Okay, this is bottom, so it became a top. Got it? So this is the right answer. A is the right answer. Okay, this problem very easy question. Look at here. Statement: either P marries Q or X marries Y. Among the options below, the logical negation of the above statement. Negation, negative, opposite, simple meaning. X does not marry Y and P marries Q. So wrong. Okay, na? Either or. So negation means neither nor. One logic. Okay. Neither P marries Q nor X marries Y. This is the right answer. So remaining, observe once again. So P does not marry Q. P does not marry Q and X marries Y. So wrong. P does not, okay, but X marries Y. Direct statement given. So wrong. So P marries Q. So wrong. X marries Y. So wrong. Okay. Negation means complete opposite. Next, this problem. Okay. Very easy question. This is also very easy question. Maximum students getting the concept. Observe. In a company, 35% of the employees drink coffee, 40% of the employees drink tea, 10% of the employees drink both tea and coffee. What percentage of the employees drink neither tea nor coffee? Okay, neither employees drink neither tea or coffee. So don't take tea or coffee, that type of persons. Okay, first of all, accepted persons. Observe. Coffee 35%, tea 40%. Intersection how much? 10. So individually, okay, individually. Coffee, so total 35, so 25, 10, 35. So 40, so 10 already is there. So what is remaining? 30. So overall taken the drinks 25, 10, 30. So total 65%. 65% of people taken tea or coffee or anything. Okay. So not accepted, I mean not taken. 100 minus this value. So answer 35%. This is the answer. Okay, students, this problem, look at. Very easy question, this type of question. Okay, very easy. Observe. A function lambda is defined as lambda bracket p of q, p minus q whole square. At what time? If P is greater than or equal to the Q, then P minus Q whole square. P plus Q at what time? So P less than Q, that is the information. Observe. So minus of minus 3 plus 2, minus 2 plus 3. Okay. Minus of minus 3 plus 2. Minus 3 plus 2 means minus 1, again minus. So answer 1. Minus 2 plus 3 meaning 1 upon 1. Okay. So minus 1 minus into minus 1. So lambda of 1, 1. So 1, 1 means P and Q values equal. P and Q values same. Then what is the condition? So P minus Q whole square. So 1 minus 1 whole square upon 1. So what is the answer? 0. Completed. Next, students, this problem belongs to the paper folding concept. Paper folding. Observe. Consider two rectangular sheets. Okay. Sheet M and sheet N of the dimensions 6 cm and 4 cm each. Two sheets also 6 by 4, 6 by 4. Folding operation 1. The sheet is folded into half. Okay. Half by joining the short edges of the, observe the point here, short edges of the current shape. Short edges of the current shape. Okay. Next, folding operation 2. The sheet is folded into the half by joining the long edges, observe, long edges of the current shape. Okay. Next, folding operation 1 is carried out on sheet M 3 times. For a sheet M, folding operation 1 3 times. Folding operation 2 is carried out on sheet N 3 times. Then what is the requirement? The ratio of the perimeters of the final folded shape of sheet N to the final folded shape of the sheet M. So ratio N is to M requirement. Okay. Observe. First of all, sheet, I just concept wise. Okay, 6 and 4. Okay, 6 and 4. Short edge folded. So folded, short edge. This length 4, there is no change. Okay, now this is actually 6, it is folded like this. So it is half 3. Got it? 3 and 4. This is 3, this is 4. 3 and 4. So short edge folded. Short means this is the 3. Folded like this. Okay, I folded like this. That 3, no change. Here 4 become a 2. Okay, so 2 and 3. Again, what is the short edge now? 2. This is folded. That 2 same. Okay, that 3 become a 1.5. So 3 operations completed. What is the measurement? 2 and 1.5. So perimeter 2 into L plus B. So overall 7 आएगा. Got it? Observe. Here. First M sheet, next N sheet. M and N. Size is 6 by 4, 6 by 4. M sheet short edge folded. Short edge folded. Same 4, but it became a 3. Okay, na? Again short edge folded. So that 3 folded like this. Say 3, no change. It became a 2. Okay, again short edge folded. 2 not a problem, but 3 is off. Okay, first operation, second operation, third operation, total 3 operations. What is the perimeter? 2 into L plus B. So 2 into 2 plus 1.5. So 7. This is for sheet M. In the same way, sheet N, okay, only one operation, long edge folded, long edge. So long edge folded. So 6 fold like this. That length 6, no change. This 4 will be off. Okay, again 6, no change. So 1. Again 6, no change. That 1 became a 0.5. So perimeter 2 into L plus B. So 2 into 6 plus 0.5. So 13. So sheet N 13 perimeter, sheet M 7 perimeter. What is the requirement? N is to M. Look at. Requirement is N is to M. So 13 is to 7. Okay. So 13 is to 7 is the answer. Okay, students, next one. Operator concept. Operators concept, this one. So plus to circle and dot to circle are given two operators on numbers p and q such that kaise abhi. So p plus q, okay, circle q. What is the relation? P square plus q square upon p into q. And dot to circle operator, p dot circle operator is p square upon q. P square upon q. Okay, look at. That is information. Now what is the requirement? If x plus y is equal to 2 dot to circle 2, then what is the x value? This is the problem. So this operator meaning, what is the meaning? X square plus y square upon xy. इसका meaning. Here 2 dot to circle 2 meaning 2 square by 2. So after the simplification, x square plus y square. Okay. So here 2 2's cancel. Okay. 2 2's cancel. Then what is the answer? Right side, it become a 2xy. So 2xy left side. So x square plus y square minus 2xy is equal to 0. So it become, what is the logic we know from the childhood? X minus y whole square is equal to 0. So x minus y is equal to 0. So x is equal to y. So what is the concept here? What is the x value? Then x is equal to answer y. This is also easy question. From the every paper, okay, minimum 4 questions very easy, 2 or 3 time taken questions. Okay, thank you.